This is the second lesson of our 7-lesson series on the Bayes My2050 carbon calculator, titled Is Wind Windy Enough? To begin, students could start by listing the things required for the expanding wind power industry in the UK, both offshore and onshore in the interactive. There are lots of tasks in this second lesson idea, but the central question is based upon the following statement. The government have announced we will build 40 gigawatts of wind power by 2030. If we carry on building at this rate until 2050, how many gigawatts would we have in the UK by then? And what lever levels would achieve this in the interactive? The lesson, of course, revolves around the wind lever, which students need to explore. If students extrapolate the commitment of 40 gigawatts of wind power per decade up to 2050, that would be a commitment of 120 gigawatts by the middle of this century. The task is now to find out which ambition level is required to maintain this progress. After that, go to the Results button for the graphic illustration, which students should now be familiar with. This time, click on the Energy Demand and Supply button at the top of your screen. This takes students through to a second graph, which shows your scenario for final energy demand and supply in 2050 in green, relative to 2015 data in grey. And that's the end of the second lesson of the My2050 carbon calculator.